What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on my site Swagbucks, but I do another cash out. You see here my account balance. I have 2,781 Swagbucks. That's equivalent to $27.81. All right, so I'm gonna cash out. But before I do that, I want to show you my routine in this site real quick. This is the home page when you first, log in, all that good stuff. This is what you'll do. First thing you can do, right here it says search the web and earn. You can search, different keywords. You just go through and keep searching something until you get credited. You'll win, a few pennies doing that. So I just wanted to show you that it's not, a lot that you win. It really just varies. But I think the most I've ever gotten for searching is like 25 cents. I think the lowest I've ever gotten is like 3 cents. So you can definitely search different keywords and earn. These are all the surveys that they have. They do have disqualification points. You'll get paid like, 1 swag buck is equivalent to 1 cent for every one that you disqualify for. But obviously, if you qualify for it, you'll get more than that. So just to show you more, you go over here to answer, and this is where basically all your surveys will be, and it shows you the amount of time it's going to take for you to actually complete all the different surveys. But like I said, for every one that you disqualify for, you'll get 1 swag buck. So go through and try as many as you can. Try the ones that you feel like are worth your time. They have a lot of good ones here that are, I feel like are worth the time. And usually, if you're fast answering questions, faster answering surveys, you can get them done faster than the time that they have. Right here, you see here, 10 minutes, 40 cents, basically 40 swag bucks, but you might get it done in half the time. So just, once you continue to do surveys, you'll become faster and faster at it. So just keep that in mind. Also, to help you even, qualify for more surveys, they have over here the survey profile where they'll continue to ask you questions. And for every 10 questions that you earn, you'll get 2 swag bucks. So these are kind of geared to throw you surveys that are, for you, more profile to you. So they might, if they want to, you say, do you own a motorcycle? I don't own one, so I'm going to click no. So more than likely, they won't send me any surveys that are about motorcycles. You can see here that I got that dot filled, and it's continue to ask me more questions. Eventually, you will kind of max this out. But, it'll be back like the next couple of days just to kind of continue to keep your profile updated. So that way you're not disqualified for so many surveys. So it's very important that you do this regularly when you, first sign up. And even after you had an account for a while, just continue to do that. So they're showing you the surveys that are more towards you. All right. So that's how you do the surveys. Also here, they have a daily poll that you can do every single day. I've already answered it today, so I won't get credited for it, but basically, do you prefer ice cream or frozen yogurt? See, I've already answered. That's why it's already showing me the results. So you get a penny for doing that. Like I said, you can do that every day because it is a daily poll. All right. So they also have things you can do on here. Click on the home tab. I'm actually going back to the home tab, but you can do things like you can do free offers on here. Just kind of show you some of the different things you can do. You can watch videos. Okay, right here, discover. This is where most of the offers are. Just kind of going down, scrolling down to the bottom so you can see all the different offers that they have. Things you can do here. You know what I'm saying? For me, I pay attention to all the free ones, but they have Revenue Universe, AdGate Media, one of my favorite ones, Offer Turo. So you just kind of go in there and find out, what kind of surveys, what kind of offers are good for you. Like I tell you all the time, a lot of these offers are really just, submit your email and get credited, or, complete some kind of registration and get credited. Even if you don't want what they're offering, you can always, unsubscribe for it after you've been credited your money. So you don't have to continue to be bombarded with emails and stuff like that. So that's what I always do if it's something that I don't want. So this is going to be a brief. I don't want to keep this video too long, so I'm going to go ahead and cash out real quick. I'm going to go over here to redeem your SB. Click on that. And then it'll show you all the options. Well, I actually clicked on buy swag bucks. I want to redeem swag bucks, not buy them. This is the rewards page. Different things you can get on here. They have pretty much everything imaginable. PayPal, Amazon, and so many other different gift cards. But for me personally, I like to go to the on sale rewards because they have all these prizes at a discounted rate. And this is one of my favorite ones. They get the Visa $25 reward card. It's $25, but all I have to do is get them $21.75. See, it's a 13% off sale. But you can always do PayPal. If I scroll down a little bit more, you can see the PayPal option right here. You can get $25 PayPal for exactly 2,500 swag bucks. I'll tell you right now, PayPal is very popular. PayPal and Amazon, so they're never on sale. You know what I'm saying? So the minimum you can cash out on this site is probably like a couple, I think like 100 or something, like $1. But that's for like different prizes. But if you want to do like Amazon or PayPal, you have to have a minimum of $5. So for here, this Amazon gift card, you have to have 500 swag bucks. You know, PayPal, you know, same thing like that. You see here actually $3 is the minimum for Amazon. But I've seen other ones that are like very low in cashing out. If you go here to, let me see if I can find it here, because it'll show you ones like right here, gift cards, $1 to $5. It'll show you different things you can get. It's usually not anything like, you know, big. Well, actually they had prizes, but I think they took the prizes off. I'm not really sure. They might be on here, but don't really feel like looking for them right now, because most people don't really get those anyway. They want to go for the PayPal, the Amazon, and different gift cards like that. They got Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, Lowe's, Burger King. I mean, you can scroll through all these pages and kind of see what you want to get. But going back to what I wanted to do is cash out, redeem your swag bucks, so you can find out what works for you. But if you want actually a discount on a prize, be sure to look at the on sale rewards right here. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get $25. All I got to do is get them $21.75, which is a really good deal to me. This pops up right here. All I got to go here is claim my gift card, and some personal information might pop up. So let me put the camera down real quick. And I got to confirm my address and all that good stuff. So I'm going down. At the bottom, you'll see continue at my address. Just making sure it's right. After that, continue. And now I have to verify the order, so it'll send me an email, or I can do a security question. So I'm actually have the email sent to me. So let me get the email sent to me real quick. And this right here is the email that I got. I'm showing you on my phone. Just basically, they want to confirm everything is right. They're going to send me that $25 reward card. How many swag bucks is going to cost me because it was actually on sale. I'm going to verify, and like it says, once you verify, you'll receive an email within 2 or 3 business days, basically with the gift card. So it'll be a virtual Visa gift card. I can basically use it like a regular gift card, you know, to buy things online, whatever, things like that. So I'm going to click verify my order. And it's going to take me back to my home page on my phone. Right on, your gift card has been verified. It can take up to 10 days to process your reward, but it's always a lot sooner than that. So I just want to show you that. And you see here, now I did that, my balance has gone down to 606 swag bucks. I can actually get another $5 gift card if I wanted to, but I'm going to actually wait because I like to get those Visa gift cards at a discounted rate. So I really encourage you guys to sign up for this site. If you click on my link in the description, you sign up, create your account. You actually get a bonus swag buck when you it's a bonus swag bucks when you sign up, create your account, all that good stuff. There's lots of different gift cards to choose from, surveys, free offers. I mean, there's a lot of money in this site, you know, watching videos. Just really depends on how much time and effort you want to put into it. So I just want to show you guys that. Get involved with this site. Click on the link in the description. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can always, you know, see me showing you guys new ways to make money, continuous like tutorials, cash out, and all these different sites, showing you what I'm doing, showing you how easy it is to make money online completely free. All right, so get started today. Click on the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts.